Well, tax season is upon us. And just a reminder, get those taxes done on time. We all know that deadline is looming. But what about the refund? What do smart people do with it when they get it back? Well, Craig Fraley is the Director of Business Development over at Clark County Credit Union. He is back on the show. Let's talk about taxes and refunds. I can't believe it's kind of that time of year, Craig.
I know it comes up very fast. I've got a really good tip on what not to do with your tax refund. The number one tip for what not to do is the first thing you're going to want to do, and that's just to go blow it. So what we recommend is that when you do your taxes and you do your return, you know how much your refund, if you're lucky enough to get a refund, you know how much it's going to be. And then make a plan and ask yourself, what is the best way I can make this money work for me? Then make your plan and stick to it.
Great advice. Absolutely. Over at Clark County Credit Union, CCCU, as I like to say, you actually have some great tools that can make managing money any time of year a whole lot easier.
We do. We have a great thing called Bonsai, which is a free financial resource. You can find it on our website. It has budgeting calculators, it has financial coaches, it has games you can play with your kids to learn this with them. It has great articles on how to pay down debt, how to save for long-term saving goals. So take advantage of it. It's a free resource on our website at ccculv.org.
I will say, Craig, I always really appreciate person-to-person contact. Even having you on this interview, at least I can see your face and we can have a live conversation. But I have to say, technologies really have come a long way, and I actually enjoy a lot of the financial tools that are available today. Even those quick little videos and tutorials like you mentioned, some of them just take like a minute and they really can give you a great bit of wisdom. Oh, speaking of wisdom, if we could go back to that conversation about refunds. Okay, so we get our taxes in on time. Oh my gosh, we have a refund check coming, and anyone who has a refund check is pretty excited about it. What do you recommend in terms of where to put the money right away? You actually have a tip. Should we put it right into our checking account?
Well, that's a great question because a lot of people don't think about where to put it. And if you're the kind of person that balances your checkbook every month, you monitor what comes in and out daily, then yeah, putting it in a checking account will be fine because you won't miss it. But if you're not that kind of person, it's easy for that refund to go into your checking account. You weren't aware that it came in. It gets mixed in with the funds you're using for other things like, bill pay, rent, groceries, that kind of thing. You can end up spending that money before you realized it came in and you didn't get to use it for what you actually wanted to use it for. We recommend you put it into a savings account. You won't miss it when it comes in. And that plan that you made about how you want that money to be best used for you, it's there waiting for you to use it just the way you want to.
Yeah, and you're going to want to use that money. And, saving is it's really invaluable. I know you know the value of this, Craig. You have children and grandchildren, of course. Thank you. By the way, you're showing us a very special place in your home. It's a place where you do magic because in addition to being business development at Clark County Credit Union, you are a hobbyist magician.
Yeah, it's fun. I enjoy doing it. Yeah, did you want to see the little thing I do with my grandkids?
I would love to. What do we got this week?
This is my little sketchbook. I do a little sketching here, and these little flip books where they make a little movie when you flip them.
I do remember
So I've got
these.
a pen. Yeah, these are fun. I got a pen, I've got a phone, and I've got a key. Which one of these do you want me to make disappear?
Okay.
And it could be any one.
Wow, I love how the pen, the key is drawn. It's very pretty. Let's go with the pen.
You want the key to?
Yeah. No, let's have
You want the pen to disappear?
Yeah, let's go with that.
All right, keep an eye on the little fingers there. And it takes the pen away.
Oh, good job.
That's a little fun with the
friend.
grandkids. Yeah, thank you. And then I've got another tip on what to do with that refund real quick if you want.
Please, yeah, one more tip. What you got?
Yeah, when it comes in, some great ideas for what to do with it is when it comes in, you want to, maybe you have some long-term saving plans you want to do, like you're saving for a dream vacation. We actually have a vacation club account at the credit union. You could seed some money there. Maybe you want to get an early start on saving for the holidays. We have a holiday account. You can put some of the money there and start saving for the holidays. Maybe there's some debt you want to get paid off. You can put some of it there. I think one of the great things to do with it, and because it's so hard to do, is saving for a rainy day, that rainy day fund. The hardest thing about saving for that is starting it. And what's great about the tax refund is that it's like an automatic way to start saving for a rainy day fund. It goes into the savings account. It's there. You can leave some of it in the savings account to prepare for a rainy day. And then take some of it and have some fun with it and do whatever you want with it.
Craig, thank you so much. I really appreciate that last piece of advice. I think, sometimes with a lot of our money feeling like it's kind of in the virtual cloud, to take that refund and put it right into a certain bucket and safeguard it just makes so much sense. So thank you so much for the inspiration for us to think ahead with what to do with that refund. And lovely to connect with you again.
You too, JJ.
ULV.org. That's their website. Locations all across the valley. The phone number right there on your screen. Take care, Craig.
Thank you, JJ.